Hi everyone, my name is Елена, in English like Helen. I am from Russia, Moscow, and I am a big fan of vintage and antique jewelry. I have channel in Russian, but I receive comments in English, and people ask me if I can speak English and make such video in English. Unfortunately, my English is not as well as I wish, not fluent. My understanding is much better than my speaking, so I will read all your comments and I can answer you, but my speaking English is not very good, so don't judge me too much. On my Russian channel I'm usually make a video about unboxing my packages, parcels from eBay, Etsy and other similar sites with vintage jewelry. But today I decided to show you some beautiful jewelries I have and will tell you all I know about this masterpiece. Let's begin. First, beautiful brooch. I think you agree with me. Brooch with such pear kind pendant. The brooch has mark. It's Holycraft, and I like this company so much because they make this stamp with year of manufacturer. They make these stamps in 1950s and the beginning of 60s. I suppose about 10 years they make these stamps with year of manufacture. It's very comfortably because you shouldn't guess the year of manufacturer. You can just see it. Such a beautiful brooch, colorful rhinestones, such pastels colors, not very bright, very tender colors. Let's see this beautiful set, brooch and clip earrings. Look at this brooch, beautiful flower. This beautiful, I think it calls stamen, colorful. What interesting about this brooch, the color of this side is silver, such pearl silver, and this place and other side it's in gold. It is very interesting. The same clip earrings, the same colors. Beautiful rhinestones. This set have no mark, but it's beautiful. I suppose it's maybe it's 70s, 1970, 90. Let's see another beautiful brooch. It's not exactly the brooch. This is a fur clip, clip for if I say it right, fur. I think it's fur clip for fur clip. Beautiful rhinestones, such delicate colors, not very bright. This brooch is not marked, but I saw the same pieces and it was original by Robert. I suppose it's also original by Robert, but without the stamp. Such beautiful fur clip. Let's see another beauty. Look at this. This is glass, different colors of blue. It's heavy because this is glass, not plastic. It's marked Japan. and I suppose it's 60s, 1960s. Beautiful summer clip earrings. Another set of jewelry. It's pear brooch and clip earrings. Brooch. Beautiful rhinestones. Such kind of crystals calls Aurora Borealis, or another variant is gasoline coating. They shine in different colors when you move it. This is also glass rhinestone. This set is marked. It's art company. The name of the founder of this mark was Arthur Hopper, and he named his mark with the first letters of his name, Art. Let's see the clip earrings. Such beautiful little pears. The clip earrings are also have mark art. What a beautiful set. Let's try to watch at necklaces. As I understand that my pronunciation is not right, but I'm trying. This beautiful necklace, oh, it's other side. This is a glass, such a beautiful emerald. It's old necklace. It is about the beginning of 20th century, 1900, 20. Did I say correctly about years? Oh, also maybe I will improve my English during make such videos for you. Beautiful necklace. Such kind of necklaces often confused with Miriam Haskell jewelry, but I suppose it's earlier than Haskell jewelry, but it's look like many of Miriam Haskell jewelry. I will show you now. Look at this beautiful necklace. It's not just beautiful, it's an unbelievable necklace. It's a real Miriam Haskell necklace. There is a mark, Miriam Haskell, look, green glass, rhinestones, beautiful masterpiece, gorgeous necklace. I suppose it is 40s, 50s, 1940, 1950, 50s. Also, I have some older necklace beds like this. I suppose it is the beginning of the 20th century. Such look how it works. There is a kind of old look. I think this is a glass, not stones, but glass, because of these bubbles bubbles inside these beads. The same in these yellow beads. Such interesting heads on this bed. Very interesting beds. If you like this video, I will make more video in English and will do my usually unboxing. And let's finish with necklaces, beds, another antique beds. This glass, it is about 90-30. Bohemian or Czech necklace. Beautiful beds. Such a nice color, like honey. That's all about necklaces, beds. Of course, I have much more, but my first video I decided to make not very long. Another beautiful thing, this brooch with such a little beautiful pendant. It's a glass. I don't know if it is a turquoise. I suppose it's just a glass, art glass. In the form of a doll, and it has mark made in Germany West, and I think it is 1950s, 1960s. Beautiful brooch. Another set, such spectacular set. This is a Maltese crosses, such beautiful brown enamel. Let's see this brooch. It is marked, and the name of mark is Har. This is 60s, 1960s. These sets, such kind of sets and brooches, I saw such sets in blue and green colors. Such a heraldic beauty. And some brooches. This beautiful antique brooch. Also, I saw the same in catalog, and it is about 90 20. Done. It marks done. Such beautiful old brooch. Another beauty. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. These rhinestones are such beautiful. They have two colors inside, like blue and red and fuchsia. So beautiful brooch. It has so many layers. It is not marked. And this is almost finished. There is a few things left. This beauty so beautiful flower. This brooch has no mark, but I saw the same with mark at this place, and it is coral. It has patent, sorry, I don't know how it correctly, and I will add this picture here in video. Almost finished. This beautiful butterfly. Look at this. I suppose this is a real turquoise. Beautiful job. And this is it marks silver, and this is China expert. It's about 90-30, so it is about 100 years, and it looks beautiful. And the last beautiful thing, this brooch. Look at this, enormous beauty. Look like this rhinestones is shining. Enamel, pink rhinestones, two colors of rhinestones, pink and darker. This is Vendome. I don't know if I say correctly, Vendome. Vendome, it is a luxury line of coral mark. Beautiful, beautiful brooch. So there is all for first time. I hope you like my video. I'm waiting you in comments under this video. I need your opinion. Please be honest with me. And if you like such kind of video, of course I will make more and more. Also, I make a repairing video in my Russian channel, how I repair jewelries. Some videos are from some museums in Moscow, some videos from vintage markets. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try to improve my English to next video. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Bye bye.